Okay, without wasting time, I just want to show us how to set up our YouTube channel. The first thing you do is to log on to your web, click on google.com, then once your google.com is open, just on your search engine part, type in your question, how to sign up for a Gmail account. Immediately you sign up for a Gmail account, automatically YouTube account is created for you, or your YouTube channel is created. Just click on create Gmail account. Once you've gotten here, just click on create an account. So let's say, for example, let's assume I want to open a fresh account for my business. Let's say Setros, and the last name I now say fish store. So automatically what I'm going to have is Setros fish store. It's advisable you use your whatever you have here. You can put your password. So click next. Might ask you for your phone number. Just type 081. Just put in your phone number details there. Then optional recovery address. Just in case I want to recover my password. You can pick your whatever date. Let's say January 10, 1976, whatever you like. Then you can say male or female, you can put female there. Once you have that, click on next. So automatically say verify your phone number. If this is your phone number, say send. The code is going to be sent to your phone. Once the code is sent to your phone, you enter it. This is just for you to open your Gmail account. While we are waiting for the code to be sent, immediately your Gmail account is open. I tell you, it's as easy as anything. Your YouTube channel is created with your Gmail account. So if you have a Gmail account already, you might not need to go through this stress. All you just need to do is go to the second phase of this. I wouldn't want to waste time here. Once you have your Gmail account ready, let's assume this is your Gmail account. All you just need to do is to come over here. You click on this box here. Then you will see your YouTube channel here. Immediately you click on that, your YouTube channel, it opens up. But in this case, because I've already started uploading videos to this channel, so I'll be seeing a whole lot. I'll be seeing my channel name. All you just need to do is come over here and click on this to say create video. Then you click on upload video. Immediately you click on upload video here. Shows you this platform. I can click on this. Once you click on this, you'll be able to select the exact video that you want to upload. Let's assume I just want to upload, let me look for a very small video here. Let's assume I want to upload a 1 minute. This is too much. Let's assume, okay, let's assume I want to upload this. Immediately I click on this to start uploading. So you tell me the number of minutes, 4 minutes remaining. By the time I'm seeing this, then I can now come here and put in the necessary title that I want to title the video as. Let me just say 1 minute overview of Africa Fashion and Food Expo 2019. That's AFE 2019. And I can come here and say just a quick recap of the most interesting event, blah blah blah. I don't want to just talk too much here. Then here, tag. You can use appropriate tag, like you can tag Setro Craft, you can tag Setro channel, you can say hashtag Setro, you can say, you just put a space there, you can say hashtag Africa, you can put out hashtag AFE 2019. Maybe at some other time I will explain this hashtag to you. So once you can see we are already at 40, we're already at 44% here. Once we are through with this, the next thing is just for you to publish. But let me just guide you here. Once you're at this point, if you want your video to be seen by the general public, you click on public. But because I'm just using this video as tutorial and I wouldn't want my subscriber to see a video that I'm not actually intending to send to them, I can just put this as if I click on unlisted, it's not everybody that will see it. And if I click as private, nobody will be able to see this online unless I decide to enable the person to see it. So private, you have the option to choose whether it's scheduled. If I want to schedule it, if I want the video to drop next week, next month, by a particular day and time, I can easily set it up here. So this is just a quick guide to you guys on how to upload videos to your YouTube channel, and you can use your phone to do your recording, and I tell you, it's just a smooth sail. But for the purpose of this, let's assume that I want to set this to private here. Then once this is done, you can see, once this is done, you can click on done here and the rest will be history. So while we just wait, while we wait for it, for the processing, it will now start the processing. That's one thing about YouTube. After the uploading, it will start the processing, but it will be fast. And that's why I encourage everybody to just go there, open your YouTube channel. It's as free as A and B and C. So once it completes the 100%, it will pick up to select a picture here from your video, which we call thumbnail. And mind you, if you really want people to start watching your videos, you have to be very, very careful of what comes up as thumbnail here, because it's a major determinant as to, you can see what it has picked now. Then if you come down, you will see different types of thumbnail that you can pick from. It's actually usually 3. So if I pick from this or this or this, so it depends on what I want. I think This is portraying a little bit about the event. This is also about event, so I'll go with the middle one that has been picked. So all I just need to do is to come here and click on done. Once you click on done, I tell you your video is already posted. So if you just come over, let's assume you just come over here to my channel. If I click on my channel, you will see that the video is already if you look at this place, because I make it public, so you won't see it here. These are my recent activities, you won't see it here. But for me to see the video, I'll just come here and click on customize channel. Once I click on customize channel, I'll come to video manager. Once I click on video manager, don't mind my network somehow slow. Once I click on video manager, to show me the list of videos that I've uploaded from the moment I joined YouTube till date. So with that, we can conclude on this. Network is really terrible. So you can see the video here. You can see the video here. Then mind you, you can see that it's telling me partially this video was found to contain copyright material. That is, I cannot monetize it. What this, maybe at another time, I'll teach us on how to ensure that the kind of music that is played when you are doing your video shoot are non-copyrighted music. So I will advise that you don't even play any music at all, because at another instance I will guide us on how to choose music so that you will not be having this flag. You can see all these ones down here, they don't have copyright issue. That's why they are green. Okay, so I think I'll stop here. Thank you very much.